Hey guys, it's G. Welcome back to another video. Going into Manchester and going to Elegance. Now, I have not had my brows done and my lip blush, which is the colour, not fillers, because people get touchy on that subject. I have not had my brows done, I feel like, for over a year and a half, maybe 2 years. Last time I had my brows done, I was blonde, I think. Now that I obviously have black hair, my natural eyebrows are very, very fair. I have actually got a new technique to do my eyebrows to make them look darker, but this is all mascara and then hair gel, which is insane. So I will show you my natural eyebrows in the next few clips. You'll be traumatized because they are so fair and I hate them naturally. So of course, who else would I go to except my girl Meg? I love Meg. I've known her for, I want to say 2 years now, probably longer, and she's done my eyebrows and my lip blush. I love her. She is so beautiful. Love her to death. So today I'm going to be going in for my lip blush, which is just a lip colour, and then I'm also going to be getting my brows done because, as we've just explained, apparently my brows just don't exist anymore and the pigment has really faded, so you can't see the natural, like, microblading brush strokes. But yeah, that's the plan of today. I'm so excited to see Meg, and yeah, without any further ado, let's go Manchester and let's see Meg because I'm so freaking excited. Hey guys, so I thought I would pop in here for a quick little but exciting ad break. Now, as you guys know, in a few days, as I'm uploading this, it is Halloween. Now this year it's not going to be the same, and even though it's the month of trick-or-treating, you know that I'm going to be treating myself. And I think this year, I think we all deserve to be treating ourselves while it's Halloween. Now this little segment here is sponsored by Lookfantastic, which is insane because I have shopped on Lookfantastic's website for years and years. It's the place I literally go for everything. Since we can't go out for Halloween, let this be the year of treating ourselves. No tricks involved. Just treating ourselves to some online shopping, which, not gonna lie, is my personal fave. Definitely over here as a very, very hardcore shopaholic. So I actually have my box of goodies from Lookfantastic. I'm so excited. All of the brands that I love and adore are on Lookfantastic. Now in this box, I've basically gone ham on wanting to try some new products. Things that I know that I've wanted to try for a long time, and I guess brands that I've never tried either. So, now the first thing that I picked up was a skincare product. Now I absolutely love the Bobbi Brown Vitamin E Enriched Face Base. Since Lookfantastic stock all of the Bobbi Brown skincare as well as their makeup, I thought I would pick up their Bobbi Brown Extra Eye Repair Cream. I've just wanted to try this for ages, and I know with Bobbi Brown, skincare is incredible. Like I said, their moisturiser is one of my favourites and just goes so lovely on my skin, and my skin doesn't react to it. Look how bougie this looks as well. If this isn't me in a skincare product, I don't know what is. You could actually have this out on like your dressing table because it's that beautiful. That is my first purchase, and I'm very, very happy with this. So the next thing that I picked up was something that I've been wanting to buy for, I want to say, like a good 2 years now. This is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Flawless Foundation. Honestly, I can't even tell you guys how excited I am to try this foundation. I don't know why I've never picked it up, but then when I found it on Lookfantastic, I was like, this is a sign. Your girl's gonna try it. Oh, this packaging though. I am a sucker for like really beautiful packaging like this, like black top, matte, frosted glass. Oh, it's everything. So I picked it up in the shade 6.5. Now, you probably can see that I'm very pale and I haven't tanned, because when I do tan, which is, not gonna lie, 90% of the time, I will be wearing this. Even see like the G on it as well for the Giorgio logo. How beautiful. Now we all know I am a sucker for an eyeliner. Now I actually have just run out of eyeliner. I was using the, is it dregs or deads of it, whatever it is. There's literally nothing left in my eyeliner that I was using, and I've heard really good things about the Ico one. Now Ico, of course, is stocked on Lookfantastic. It's a brand that I feel like you can't get on a lot of websites or in stores, so when I saw it was on Lookfantastic, I was like, bingo. It's the Black Magic Liquid Liner and Wide Lash. Oh, I don't even know what wide lash means. But yeah, I've just heard really good things about it. As you guys know, I wear eyeliner every single time I do my makeup. It's a ritual. I'm really just a sucker for a back liner. If you ever find a brand really hard to find, I would really recommend trying to search it up on Lookfantastic, because no doubt they have that brand that you want and basically want to buy from, because this is one of them. Now, talking about brands that I personally find quite hard to find online or in store is a brand called Chantecaille, I think it's called. Now, when I saw these on Lookfantastic, I did an internal scream, because their products are meant to be amazing, because they're very lightweight, their formulas are meant to be incredible, and finally, I'm a proud owner of these products. Now, the first one that I picked up was, I think, one of their most famous foundations, and this is Chantecaille Just Skin Tinted Moisturiser. I only ever use tinted moisturiser. I love them. They're just the best for my skin, and considering this is one of the products I always hear so many good things about, I was like, adding that to basket, because that needs to be straight on my face. The packaging of this is so satisfying. The fact that it's in a tube, I don't know why, but this to me is heavenly. So it's basically a really satisfying matte tube, and then obviously we've got a little cap that we squeeze out. I find these so much easier for me as well, because I don't have to pump anything. I can just kind of go. The shade I actually got this in was the shade Nude, so this should be in between my very pale self and my tan self, so this would be perfect. Now, this is the last product of the haul. This is actually from the same brand, Chantecaille, and this is their Radiance Gel Bronzer. Considering their whole branding is all about your skin but better products, this is just going to be right up my street. So I only ever use cream bronzers. I feel like these two are going to be literally the most perfect duo and combo on my face. Even though this is smaller packaging, don't be fooled, because there is a lot of product in here, and I feel like this is great for travelling, especially these two. Just pop them in your bag, you're good to go. Oh my god, that is super natural. I mean, this, I've just popped a little bit on the back of my finger, which is a bit weird, but I've just rubbed a little bit on, and oh my god, this is pigmented but natural. Imagine this in summer, especially with freckles. Using this on your bare skin when you've got a bit of a tan, just across your cheeks and your nose, that's going to be so dreamy. Oh, I nearly knocked the box over. That was not a good idea. If you guys want to see a video of me trying these things, let me know. I can always do that, and might even do a cheeky little Instagram reels using these products, so keep your eyes peeled. If this hasn't made you have the online shopping bug, I don't know what will. So if you guys want to go on Lookfantastic and shop all of these products, and obviously so much more, I mean, Lookfantastic is the place for everything. You name it, they have it. And I personally think you should be treating yourself this Halloween. You can use my code GeorgiaLF for 20% off, which is wicked. Lookfantastic also have a lot of offers on their website. I will leave a link to Lookfantastic's website down below, and also don't forget to use my code 20% off all of these products that I've featured in this video. A huge thank you to Lookfantastic for sponsoring this part of the vid. I'm so excited to be working with them, and I hope you guys have a nice Halloween and happy shopping, because we all know it's about treating ourselves, not tricking. Alright, so I'm elegant. Meg has just popped on my numbing cream for my lip blush, which I normally get. And then we're also going to be doing my eyebrows, which I feel like you can't tell because my eyebrows have got mascara in and brow gel, because naturally they're not good. Can you see how fair they look?
I am quite glad because obviously Microblading only stays in the skin around 2 years, which is quite good because you've still got a shadow of your shape. However, because the strokes have faded quite a lot and we've let them go straight along there and then all more fluffed up.
Yes!
That's how I've been doing mine. I'm going to do them darkest brown.
We felt the sunshine.
That's what I love about microblading as well, because
So good.
like when there is a new fashion in like 1 or 2 years, like now,
Yeah,
you're not
yeah.
stuck with that. Like if we'd have put that on permanently and you were stuck
Oh my
with,
god,
like, that
imagine
arch.
like a proper tattoo.
So really all I'm going to do is like literally darken all the
Borders,
edges,
isn't it?
yeah.
Yeah.
Way too fast, way too fast.
Because if we actually did let it touch, then it would bleed and it would be like a tattoo. So this is what makes it semi-permanent, the fact that it's not going all the way through. Tiny needles. Actually, we are only grazing the top of the skin, so we're not breaking the skin, so we're not going down to the layer where we have blood.
Yeah, so it's not going to bleed.
Nope. We're just keeping it right on top. Because there's a few little needles as well, it's not just one.
It's pushing against each other.
Yeah, they all push against each other, so there's no really getting away from the noise.
Ready? Yeah.
This is the beat of broken hearts. Is it our love? We can go on again.
Like a little brown. Back home now, and oh my god, I just love going to see Meg. Not only do we have the best chats, but I just love coming out actually looking amazing. Now I have just quickly touched up my foundation a little bit just on my chin. I'm just obsessed with how this looks with fresh face. Like this with freckles is my dream. These are my lips and my brows. My brows are freshly microbladed. I've not had them done now for over a year, and there was a little bit left, I think, but not obviously a lot. And then we just touched up my lips a little bit. I just want to say as well, this wasn't lip filler. I know people can sometimes get confused, but this isn't lip filler. This is lip blush, which is a semi-permanent form of like lip colour on your own natural lips. Meg went more around the borders because it's amazing. Like I think one of my favourite things I had done was lip blush. I love having it done so much, and waking up with lips that don't look dead, because you guys know I'm anemic, so my lips can look quite ghostly and ill, but with lip blush I'd feel so much more like confident. I don't actually wear lipstick anymore. With this I'll just pop on a bit of lip balm every single day for a few weeks just to let it heal, and I just love like how it looks. I think it looks so beautiful but natural as well. So I think we went for like a dark brown pigment with a bit of black, just so they don't look too harsh. And then I think I'm going to go back in a few weeks and get a bit of shading done, not much but a little bit, just to make them a little bit defined and darker in certain areas. But so far I'm obsessed. I'm always so happy when I see Meg. I'm always so made up when I come out and feel so lovely. Like, even though I literally have barely any makeup on my face, it just makes me look so much better. And yeah, this with no makeup is beautiful. This with freckles is just my vibe. And I'm definitely going to go for lash enhancement in a few weeks as well, which is just like an enhancement on your own natural lashes. I also got given a little gift bag. How cute is this? Gift bag with a massive bow on it, which I will be keeping, by the way, but I think she's basically popped in my cream to put on my brows and my cream to put on my lips. They're both the same thing, but I don't need as much on my brows. It's more my lips that get dry the most. Only just popping it on like every day, just a little bit every day. Your lips normally get dry anyway, but imagine that on top of scabbing of the lip blush. It's pretty dry. I'm obviously going to be wearing my lip balm quite a lot in the day, and of course at night. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I do hope you enjoyed. You guys will be seeing like my brows and how they heal and stuff. I have actually done a dedicated video on my brows and also my lip blush, so if you want to check them out, I will leave them in the description. But if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me, because like I've said, this is my second time of having lip blush and my third time or second time, I think it's my third time of having my brows done now. I've had them twice when I was blonde, and then obviously now that I'm dark, I've had them done again. So if you guys want to know more, but does it hurt? No. Microblading is almost like someone plucking your eyebrows. But personally, I think when Meg does it, it doesn't even hurt as bad as that. Like, it's nothing. Lip blush doesn't hurt one bit. It's just a vibration sensation. And it just feels weird, I guess, because you've got the numbing cream on. I don't personally like the feeling of numbing cream. It feels a bit like mild carpet burn, but that's it. Like, if I was to describe the slight pain, it would be that. Of course, I've just had them done, so they don't end up looking like this. It looks like I've got a lip tint, which I love, but obviously it lasts about 2 years. But yeah, like I said, if you've got any questions, please feel free to comment them down below. And yeah, I'm gonna love you and leave you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.